Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Our friend Eskimo has come up with another macro that I can see at some point would be very, very helpful. So sequential numbers on a mouse at a mouse click. This particular one, I started out with 7. I'm going to select both of them. And if you notice my cursor is an arrow, I'm going to double click on that and now it becomes a crossbar. And wherever I pick my crossbar, okay, that's a little bit off, but I might have moved the mouse. Okay, let's back up here and see if we can't figure this out. I'm gonna hit escape. This is almost good trial and error. So take our number and go right here to center justified. And now let's try it. Double click, we get that cursor. Look at that. I can see that being very, very, very helpful. Now he's got like 4 macros. So you hit the escape button to get out of that macro and you can go, let's select the 7 again. And now we're going to do, it doesn't really show it, but it's 2 digits. So we're going to double click on 2 digits and look, it's 8, 9 with a, so make it out of 2 digits. This is going to be a lot of fun. I'll leave a link to his blog. So you hit escape to get back to your, so it won't do anything. But there's a lot you can do with this. I mean, a lot. I can see the big benefit. So I'll put a link to his blog that has a little video that he produces that's probably better than mine, and the GMS file and how to get it and download it. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.